How to connect Namecheap domain to a Cloudflare page. Now, Cloudflare has been somewhat updated, and specifically the website. Now, this is made somewhat easier or a bit changed, but pretty much depends on your preference. But anyways, that doesn't really matter since it's gonna be technically the same process. So log into your Cloudflare and your Namecheap. You don't really need to do the Namecheap, but as long as you have your domain details, and of course you should already have it, you can get into your account, go to your domains, you can register a domain name to start. You can just get your domain and its information, but once you have it, go ahead to your Cloudflare over here and go to your specific page to your build. Go to your page, and once you're there, go to your domains and routes. Now you should be able to enter it directly from here. It is much easier now, but you should be able to find it in your settings as well, and then just go ahead and press on add over here. Then just go ahead and add your custom Namecheap domain over here. So connect your worker to a domain or subdomain with a Cloudflare zone. So here is where you paste in your domain URL or host name, and then just go ahead and press on add domain over here. Then you should be able to set up the Namecheap domain after doing so, and then you'll be able to connect it directly into the page. But that's pretty much how you add the Namecheap domain to your Cloudflare. Basically the general idea on how you get there. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.